Not a fan of the buzzing during gameplay or want to feel every smash? Let me show you how to turn the vibration on or off in Smash Party. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off vibration in Smash Party. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by launching the Smash Party app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. In the settings menu, you'll find the vibration or haptic feedback option, and you'll also see a toggle switch next to the vibration setting. Turn it on if you want to feel the action, or off it if you'd rather play without the buzzing. Some versions of the game might ask you to confirm your changes by tapping Save or Apply. Be sure to do it if prompted. And that's it. You've now customized your vibration settings in Smash Party. Whether you want full immersion or a quieter experience, this quick trick has you covered. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.